To reset the power supply for a new remote, take this cover off, undo the 4 screws, and it'll be quite tight. Then inside there's a little button. To reset it back to factory settings, press it 6 times and hold on the 6th press. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press and hold. It will start flashing. When it becomes solid, like that, release. Now the remote has been reset. So the power supply has been reset to factory default. You can go through the method of repairing it via the little button on the back, or we'll set it up to channel 2 again. We can press the button in here, press it twice, hold on the second time. 1, 2, press and hold, then press the button on the remote, then release, and now that's paired. And that's how you program the remote and reset the power supply.